Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest. This is Brittany. We've known each other since 7th grade?
Yeah.
So today we wanted to film a video. We're going to be doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. So I'll be blindfolded, I'm going to try to do Brittany's makeup and we're going to see how that goes. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. This is a bad idea. Oh my god, Brittany, I can't do this. I'm so blind. Okay, I need you to tell me.
Do you even know where the foundation is?
No, you need to hand it to me. Hand me things.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And then... Oh my god, you don't even...
Wait, I don't know how much you use. Is that enough? I think so.
Yeah. Oh, here.
Oh, I should not wear lashes. Oh my god, what's your move your hair?
Oh my god.
Where
Oh my god.
what is your face? Okay. I think I've been doing something.
That's my teeth.
Where is it? Is this your chin? What is this in your face? Oh my dude.
Oh my god.
Wait, I'm gonna do this right. What beauty blender is this? This isn't a beauty blender.
I got it from like Ulta or something.
Do I even have any foundation on you?
Yeah. It's mostly on my teeth.
Close your mouth.
Okay.
What is this? Here's this your nose.
Yeah.
Do you have a nose piercing?
Mhm.
Okay, I think we have your... You know what would be better if I just spread it?
Yes.
I don't know, this is gonna take forever. Okay. Where's concealer? Oh gosh, close your eyes.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Okay. This is so scary. Where's your...
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Where?
You're like groping my cheek.
Wait, where's the person? Am I doing it right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what do you usually... What's your contour next?
Yeah. Here, let me...
I think...
You're gonna have to choose the color.
Good thing but I have this palette so I know what is where. Okay. I should use that. I think I got too much. Wait. Do the face so I kind of know where.
Oh my god.
Did I get product?
Yeah.
Okay. This is hard to do the other one. I'm sweating this thing. I think that's good.
Oh my god!
What? look bad? I'm scared. Okay, blush. Smile.
Wait, I'm eating it.
Wait, did I get anything on there? Okay, wait, let me do this side first. This is hard. I thought I would do. What? Oh my god. Let me do the other one.
I look crazy. So what's next?
Highlight. Okay. Oh man, there's like dark shades in here.
Oh yeah.
Usually.
Hopefully you choose the right one. Oh wait, let's just show them what you're choosing.
Wait, I chose this one? Is
For
what I chose?
highlight? Okay.
Let me just pick everything up. Okay. Where's? Am I doing the right place?
Yeah, you are.
Wait, I'm putting my hand. Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of everything. Are you already turned?
Oh yeah. Is that you?
I want it to look good, but I know it doesn't. Where's your nose?
Oh my god.
Okay, eyeshadow.
Oh my god, the beauty blender.
Wait, which one's the brush?
Yeah, it's like the blend.
Oh, sorry. Where's the palette? This one?
Yeah.
We're using this palette. It's Brittany's.
It's
What
the
is it?
Venus Palette by Lime Crime.
Am I showing the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, this is hard. I don't know this palette. I don't know
What shade are you going for?
Am I in a shade right now?
Yeah.
Is it really paying attention?
You chose like the boldest shade.
Damn it. Okay. Wait. Is this your eye?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if I blend it out. No. Am I still in your eye?
Yeah.
Okay. Dang it. How do I know which shade I chose? This one?
Mm-hmm.
This is hard. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't see anything. Okay.
Oh.
To put on the lid. Okay. I don't know what color.
Yeah.
I feel like it's easier if I use my fingers. I'm gonna have like two different eyeshadows. Where's the pink? I don't think I can do eyeliner. Am I still in your eye? Am I hurting you?
No. Oh my god, Deanna.
How bad is it? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna put this in the outer corner. Hopefully
And
it's
the
like a
inner?
brown. In my inner.
Oh wait, no. Oh.
In the outer V.
Oh, to darken it?
Yeah. If I got a dark shade, I don't know. Okay. I know I'm not blending everything enough because it takes like 10 minutes to blend.
Oh, you want a light
Yeah.
shade?
Tell me which one. I'm gonna go with this one.
Yeah, you can use that one.
I'm gonna highlight the brow bone before. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh my god!
Where's the other one? Okay. Okay, Brittany, we're gonna try eyeliner.
It looks like I need to go to the hospital.
Like you look red. Is this your eyeliner? Is
Yeah.
this it? I'm so scared. Okay. Did it come out?
Yeah, it did. It came out.
I don't know how I can't do the other eye. I can't. Oh gosh. Oh god. Okay. Okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna Okay, whatever, I'm scared to finish it. What's left? You can put your own mascara on. I'm not doing that. I did okay.
Oh wait, and then lips. I have this NYX work lips.
Am I holding it right?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it? I'm like touching. This is really close.
It's the other brush. Or the brush is the other one.
Oh. I asked if I was holding it right. I was like, this feels weird. I just hear your mouth making all this. Okay. And my dad, is that it? Wait. And then do your eyebrows.
Oh yeah.
Where's the little, thing? Okay.
Are you done?
No, wait, I have to set your face.
Oh yeah.
So that this makeup doesn't come off ever.
Yeah, ever.
Where's that? Okay, close your eyes. So I'm all done. But I haven't seen it yet. So I'm gonna do the final review. Wait, Brittany, what do you think before?
I think I should go on a date right now.
Do you need to go on Tinder
Yeah.
right now? I'll find you some. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I look sweaty. Brittany!
This is the best part.
Dude, I could have sworn it was like here. What the heck?
In my lipstick.
Dude, I really thought I could have sworn this was here.
In my eyebrows.
I was like all the way up here.
Oh yeah, and the foundation was like on my teeth.
Oh my god, Brittany, how did I get down there?
I don't know, but it was all up in my eye.
Well, you're glowing. You have like a glow.
At least I have some highlight.
Which one did I use at first that you were like...
Oh,
I used the bronzed ones. These two. That's like the majority I use because I barely touch these.
Oh yeah.
What eyeshadow did I use? A red one?
Yeah, I used red and then pink.
I used this one?
Yeah, and then like these two.
Oh my god. Okay, well. Brittany's ready to go on a date,
yeah.
as you can see. So this is how to... This is a get ready with me date night edition.
Yeah.
So if you guys want a tutorial on this look, let me know and I'll do that for you. So I had to fix my eyelashes because the blindfold was a little wonky. But yeah, so actually this wing would be good if it was on the right place.
Yeah. The sun's away.
What happened? I don't know what happened. What's your favorite part?
My bronzed look.
You're glowing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think me too.
I'm like a bronze goddess.
Where did I put foundation? I want to watch it over and see like
yeah.
where did I put foundation.
It was all over my lips before you put lipstick on.
What about concealer? I think I blended it out kind of.
Yeah, you did go with concealer. Yeah, the eyebrow. Did you do this one?
I thought so. But...
Yeah, maybe.
Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, then go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the future. I think I'll definitely be filming with my friends some more. I had a lot of fun. Actually, I wanted to say, there's this, have you seen Blind Girl does James Charles makeup?
Yeah, Molly Burke.
Molly Burke, yeah. That was amazing. Like,
yeah.
I don't know how she did so well. I clearly can't. Like, if I went blind, I would be a mess. Like, wow. But yeah, anyway, so I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Alright guys, side note, so I did want to mention last video, but I completely forgot that once I hit 100 subscribers, I wanted to do a giveaway. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that, because it's going to be a good giveaway. I know a lot of good products. I already have some in mind that I would like to put in it. So yeah, just make sure you stay tuned. Oh. What
yeah,
are you gonna say?
I was like, yeah guys, hope you enjoy it.
Brittany, we've known each other since...
Okay, sorry.